Welcome to day 2. We're all done. I hope you like it. Just kidding, guys. We're actually just starting our day off. We've got our heavy duty underlayment in place. We're about to drag our liner into the hole. Woo! Yep, just like Dominic said. We're gonna put another layer of fabric on top of that, get our blocks in, start rocking and rolling. It's like one of those days, I guess. So stay tuned. And just like that, we now have our reservoir in place, backfilled with all the protective layers and liner and all that good stuff. You can see on top, we've got a heavy duty underliner. That's to protect the liner itself from our aqua blocks. We wanna make sure no matter what, we keep this liner safe. This is 45 mil rubber EPDM. The next layer below that is another heavy duty underliner, and that's protecting our rubber liner from the soil, any rocks or sticks, stuff like that. It also allows for movement with freeze thaw, allows oxygen to get underneath the liner, allows it to breathe under there. It's a multi-purpose product, but you can see we've got our 3 main layers. Then we've got the blocks themselves, which store all our water. We're starting to put the bases of our water features in place. We're gonna get those all plumbed up and level. We're gonna make sure it's how we want everything grouped. It's all visible from the right spots, like the hot tub, the deck, the windows in the house, the outdoor dining room table, even from the fire pit over there. We wanna make sure there's something in view of all the different viewing angles. Once we have that all set, we're gonna start to level them, get the plumbing run, secure everything. And in the corner, while we're standing here, you can see this is the vault where our pump is gonna be housed. Dominic's about to start working on this. We're gonna get water going in the basin. He's gonna hook up our pump and check valve. And then we're gonna have our main line that's gonna have all of our T's, our manifolds, which are gonna go to each fountain piece. And we're gonna be able to dial in exactly how much water is coming out of each of the fountain, each of the water features, fountain features. You know what I mean. All right, so right now I'm getting the base for our largest stack slate urn in place. This is gonna be basically like the center point of the entire fountainscape. It's the largest fountain feature in this, and it's gonna be smack dab in the middle. So I'm starting with that one, and we'll base everything else off around that. So I'm getting our base nice and level. I've already drilled a hole through the bottom for our plumbing line to go into there and up through the middle. So even though these are prefabricated, they do need a little bit of customization to get them just the way we want. I'm going to get our plumbing line in place, running right up the middle, and then we're gonna backfill this base section with some pea stone to act as a counterweight to lock it in place, keep it from shifting, keep it from the kids coming over and being able to push it. We wanna lock these in place, and we'll also use some waterfall foam to help seal them to the top of the blocks, just to really ensure they stay where we want.
Okay guys, so I just got the pump in and we were starting to work on plumbing. I drilled through the side of our vault here because we're gonna use a different exit point. It better suits the layout of the feature and the construction that we got going on right now. So because this is all inliner, I don't need a bulkhead or anything like that. So I drilled our pipe, our 2-inch flex PVC right through the side of the vault, and I glued the end of our 2-inch check valve on here. So now all we got to do is tighten this collar onto the check valve, and then the pump is all set up and plumbed.
So a quick recap for the day. We've got our pondless fountainscape reservoir in place and backfilled. You saw all the protective underlayment, the rubber liner. You can see we've got 3 of our 4 fountainscape features on top. We got the large urn, the medium urn, which Dominic is working on the lighting right now, our medium sphere, and we got Shonsky over there custom cutting the spillway bowl. We got most of our plumbing in place. We've got our brand new fountain lights installed and the pump is in place. So all that's left to do today is get this bowl situated, finish up our plumbing. We might even fire it up for a little test run, but you're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to see it in action. So make sure you come back and check out part 3. Until then, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that awesome stuff. But I got work to do, so I'm out of here.